Alright, here we are at the Breckenridge residence at 514. Just gonna go up the ladder. Alright, let's come out here into the field, set up the tripod. Right here, I'm gonna pick just at random seal strip. It's all the way sealed, all the way across. And when we come to the edge on the whole row, this is where the shingle release in each one of these edges are off by 3/16 of an inch. So what we're going to want to do is come here on the edge. This is where the fastener is. Pull apart the shingle. The rest of the seal strip is in really good shape. Make sure we've got the whole thing in here. So just like I thought, we're gonna have to adjust. Seal strip. This one's going to be tricky because this is really, and there's once again every single row. So under here, we're going to separate these two shingles so that we can show that the nails are exactly in the exact intended place, the placement of the nail line. Exactly. So there was no improper installation. These shingles were installed correctly. Dan George, D&J Roofing, signing off.